Hey friends, it's Andrea here from Andrea K Crafts, and today I wanted to share with you an unboxing of the Cricut Joy 2. Now, I went to Michael's to purchase this because it was just released this morning and I was super excited to get my hands on it. However, I wanted the coral one because I thought that was really pretty and I don't have any machines obviously in that color, and they didn't have it. So then I picked up the mint machine and that one was super cute. It's like a seafoam green, and I was like, okay, I want that, but then I also want the scoring tool with it, because that was like the main reason why I purchased this one, just to try out the scoring tool with this machine. And they were like, oh, we don't have the scoring tool individually to sell. And I was like, okay. Then I said, okay, well then I'll just take the essentials bundle because it came with the scoring tool. Well, they didn't have any of those, they said. So it was really crazy. They had no clue what I was talking about the release. Like it was sad on Michael's part. And I feel really bad saying that because the one worker was, actually two of the workers were super sweet about it. They had no idea about the release. They were like, we don't even know what this stuff is. So long story short, I was able to get the light blue. I don't even know if that's the name of the color, but I was able to get the blue one. It does match my Maker 3, so I was fine with that. But I did get the essentials kit because this is the only one that they had available. So I did get to see the Explore 5, which originally I was like, yeah, no, that's going to be an easy pass for me. I don't want it. And then when I saw it in the store, I was like, I'm going to have to get that one too. So that'll be the next purchase, is the Explore 5. But remember, I teach Cricut. I share the Cricut with others, so I like to have the machines, as many as I can, to share with you guys in case you own one of the ones that I don't work with like all the time. But let's go ahead and just stop talking and get started unboxing this machine and what all came with it. So I paid a purchase price of $139 for this. And pop the sides out in the oh, there's a lot of material in here. Okay, so this is to get started. I'm not going to set it up today. I just want to go through everything that you get, and then I'll do a separate video on the setup. Oh goodness. Oh, look how cute. The book is really nice. Okay, so you get a lot of information in here. Book's cute. You get some safety and warranty information. And now, here it is. Oh my gosh, guys, it is so cute. And I completely get it. I heard so many influencers were so annoyed with this machine. Oh my gosh, it is so light, guys. It is like super duper light. I love that. I'll pull this out and try to give me some more room on the top here. I think that's everything. Yeah. All right. Let me gently move this box out of the way. This is adorable. Okay, so I already heard so many influencers being so negative about this machine, and like, it really makes me sad because and I'm not trying to talk badly about people. I just want to make it very clear that this machine might not be for everybody, but it is for somebody. And don't just take what influencers, and I hate to use that word because that's kind of what I'm called as an influencer. Don't take our word for it. Buy what you want and just do your research so you know what you're getting. But don't be so negative about a brand when that's the brand you use and teach with, is what gets me. Like, I don't understand why Cricut influencers talk so bad about the brand, but then they're like, but that's the machine I always use. It just blows my mind. I don't know. It was so weird. I had gotten into some conversations with some fellow like influencers, and they were like just really angry about the machines that they came out with. And I'm like, why? But that's the machines you love. Like, you use those machines. It didn't make any sense to me. But anyways, that's a whole rabbit hole for another day. Today, we're going to look at this machine. Oh my gosh, guys. It is adorable. Like, I love it. It looks like a little love seat. Like, that's the only way I can explain how cute that is. All right, and now we need to, well, I better look at this setup. Just want to show you everything. You know what? I told you I'm not going to set it up, so I'm not going to do that, but I do want you to see everything that comes in it. So I'm going to pull this out and pull out this little piece of cardboard here. These are the new blades, so they're all one piece. Like, you don't have to change blades anymore. You just buy a new set like this. That's it. And I think that's great. And then you just drop it down in and it closes shut. It doesn't, okay, I heard a lot of people say it looks junky. I think it looks adorable. And I don't feel like, it still feels like a hardy machine. It's just not, I don't know what people were expecting. I guess that's what my thoughts are. Like, it's a little mini, it's just a Joy that has been advanced to do print and cut and score. So I don't know why people are so upset about it. I think it's a great idea. I honestly think that the it would have made more sense for the Joy Extra to be able to score, and maybe someday that will be like an upgrade that they do. But I mean, they got to start somewhere and they got to work with what they got, right? So there's the machine, very cute. We get our little plug. I noticed the plug is a little different. It has a little bit of a different connector. So it looks like you just kind of put it into place and twist it on, which that's, I don't know what that's for. Like, I mean, I'm sure I should read directions, but you just kind of lock it into place. I think that's pretty neat, and it's cute. It just says Cricut on it. It, like all of the other machines, it'll say like Cricut Joy Extra. They're labeled, but this one is unique and has this, just says Cricut on it. And it's one piece, so you don't have that extra adapter to this one. I love that idea. I think that's great. There's not this huge box. You can easily kind of package this up into a carrying case. All right. And now here's all of the things. You know what? I need to look in this box because I feel like I want to go through this box first. I think this is the more exciting box. All right. I apologize, guys. My neighbor's dog is barking loudly. All right. So with the Essentials bundle, you get a card mat and you get a 4.5 by 12 light grip mat. You get this roller. Okay, so it's like, it's plastic. It's a plastic roller. It's not paper. I thought it was a paper roller, to be honest, but it's a plastic, like plastic roller. You get a scraper tool, which who doesn't need more scraper tools? You get a spatula, a weeding tool. It's a full-size weeding tool. I thought it came with just the little one. And you get a marker. And this is a double-ended. It's a 1 millimeter and a 0.4 millimeter. I love that they're dual-ended. And then the whole reason why I got this set is for the scoring tool. I'm very interested in this because in the past, the hack was if you wanted to score with your Joy, you had to put it under foil and put your foiling tool in. I'm wondering if this is going to be any better. Because when you use the foiling tool, yes, it was available to do that, but it didn't foil, like it didn't press down very well. So I'm hoping that this one does. That's my hopes. Okay, then I also got, and I'm going to give this actually as a gift to a friend because I have plenty of these laying around. This is a, Jess, this is coming your way, by the way. Jasmine said you were looking for one. And I thought whenever I got this that I could give this to you so you could use it for all of your stuff that you're making. So it just comes with this and you just plop this on top. And this is one of the best cutters for the price. I have promoted, actually, which I got rid of, is my Creative Memories paper trimmer. It's amazing. That paper trimmer is absolutely amazing. I just never used it as much as I thought I would. And I had all the blades for it and everything. And it was like, it was kind of just sitting there. And since I always use, and it was super expensive. This one's like $14, $15 and does amazing work, so you really wouldn't need anything other than this. So I do recommend this one. It has an arm that pulls out all the way to 16 inches, and it does smart material all the way down. Definitely worth the price. Okay, now with all that being said, now we have all the supplies that come with it. I guess it goes this way. So you get an insert card set. So you get 2 cards and 2 envelopes. You get smart vinyl. So these are all practice sheets, but I mean, it's smart material, which I love. You get black, white, golds, and it looks like red. Then this is smart iron-on, which I can't wait to see this cut. There's black, white, and 2 golds. And yours might be different. I'm not sure if they're all the exact same. And then we have transfer tape, which is always good to have. I am an advocate for Cricut transfer tape. I know some people, it's either you love it or you hate it. It's my favorite to use. Then you get some printable vinyl. I love that this prints, and it'll print on both sides. So you can make like 2 sticker sheets on one 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and Cricut just separates it down the middle. So all you have to do is trim your paper down the middle, and you won't be wasting any of the paper. So you get what looks like 3 sheets of that. And then we get some value cardstock. You guys know this is not my favorite cardstock in the whole wide world, but whenever I'm doing backgrounds and things like that, I'll use this paper. But let's see, you get blue and like an off, I think that's more of an off-white, and then red, and then white. So that's pretty cool. So you get a lot in the essentials bundle. You could start creating like a mad person if you wanted to, if you buy the essentials bundle. $139 at Michael's. I know if I would have purchased it on Cricut.com, I would have gotten my discount, but I really didn't want to wait for it. I just wanted to go out and get it. So here it is in its glory. It is super cute. Again, this is a machine that if you already have a larger Cricut, you don't need this machine. If you already have a Cricut Joy or a Joy Extra, I would say, you don't need this machine. However, if you just have a Joy, I would suggest if you want to do an upgrade, but you only want to keep a small machine, this is a great idea. The price point is $99 just for the actual machine. And here's the thing, guys, I don't want you to go buy it unless you want it, unless it's something that you're going to use. My whole goal with this is to teach people how to use their Cricut and actually get use out of it, not for you to just go buy every single Cricut that's out there. I like to buy certain Cricuts because I teach it. And I just want to be very clear on that, because I feel like so many people think that whatever's new comes out, they have to go buy. That is not why I'm jumping in and buying all the Cricuts. Like I said, originally I wasn't even considering buying the Explorer 5. And I told my friend group last night, I was like, yeah, I'm not really into it. I don't know. I'll have to check it out. But then when I saw it today, I was like, okay, I might have to get that one, and I think I'm going to. But it's just to teach with. If I didn't teach, I wouldn't buy all of these machines, all right? So here it is. Looks super cute. I will do a video on setting it up and showing you guys how it scores, because that is genuinely what I'm most excited about for this machine, and I really want it to work. So I hope you guys got a good idea of what all comes with it, what if it's a machine that you're going to want to get. Let me know in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it, because I want to know what you guys want to see me using. Do you want me to use this machine to make some projects? Do you want me to use, like, what machines do you want me to use? And, you know, just let me know. That's why I'm here. I'm here to teach you. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and until next time, guys. Bye.